guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Max Winning back again with our new to us 2020 Ford Explorer ST 3.0 twin turbo EcoBoost, 400 horsepower, 415 foot-pounds of torque stock. We're going to be working with Big John at the shop tomorrow. We're going to get all our goodies put on. We're going to go basically FBO, full bolt-on for those who don't know, minus turbos, minus injectors, a couple things you could do initially, but you don't get much return, so I'm not going crazy. Holder intake, blow-off valve, spacer, downpipes, exhaust, lowering springs, wheel adapters. We're gonna put our wheels from the Bentely on it. I'm pretty excited about that. And we'll hopefully be able to do everything one day, and we'll go through the process tomorrow of everything. Just starting this video off, and eager to see what it'll take it to this car. They get over 500 to the wheels, so it should be a fun car. Lots of space. Practicality is the name of the game nowadays, guys. So I wanted something I can still have fun with, but I'll be practical, take the family around. It's an amazing cruiser, super comfortable. I'm really happy with all the tech, which I'll be going over all the key points some point, maybe another video, but we're gonna try to give it more power and get our parts on it. So tomorrow we'll be underway with all that process, and it should be fun.
Yeah, so this is the Explorer. This is stock, basically stock. We have the better wheel package. It's called a street pack, so it comes with 21-inch wheels, custom red calipers, better suspension. Get the wheels of what I primarily wanted, black on black. It looks great. This is a 2020, so it has more miles. It has about 75,000, so I got it for a good price, 30 grand. So I just did the window tint on it myself, of course. We did 20 on the over the factory, brings it down to about a 10%, 20% on the two fronts, and 35 on the front windshield, all in a full ceramic, very best of the best. I blacked out the emblem here. I'm gonna do the lights, but these lights are kind of delaminating a little bit. They have some peel marks, so we're gonna take these to the body shop, and Sam from TJ's, he's gonna sand these and re-clear coat them, so that should be fun. I have yellow vinyl for the fog lights, and then I already tinted the rear tail lamps. Gonna give it a black look, blend it in a little bit. Left the white exposed. I like the look. The contrast is nice on the reverse lighting. And yeah, so that's it for now. It's stock besides what we did, and tomorrow we'll see a lot more advancements. And yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Alright guys, today's the day. I'm pretty excited. It's Saturday. We are about to get these parts installed on the Explorer ST. John will be here in a minute. We just got here, just getting settled in. So we're gonna go over all the parts, give you guys an idea of what's going on. Then we'll start getting installations going. We're hoping to get it all done today. Quite a few things, so see how it goes, but lowering springs, wheels, exhaust is a priority. From my intercooler, which is a bit more involved. We'll see if we have time to do it today, but if not the end of the world. This is some of our other vehicles. This is my wife's AMG. Wrap by us, lowering springs, wheels. Have a tune for it, never put it on, because I'm this old, man. You know, it's not too big of a deal. And here, have the R32 GTR. Company logo on it, company car you could say. My point being that I never had an American car until the ST, guys. First one ever in 40 years of life. Various vehicles, never had an American car. But it's been great, man. I love the Ford. I think it's great. I think the tech and the performance of the ST, it's really, really nice, man. Really, really nice. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when John gets here, and we'll go over all the parts, etc., etc. That's John's, by the way. Pala SS, for those who know. Yeah, so it's first week of October here in Ohio, and it's the first day of me wearing pants. And apparently I grew since last year.
the stock exhaust. What all did I buy, he says. Big dog, Big John, welcome back to the channel.
I'm saying.
Once again, you know what I'm saying? Working on some American muscle. You know what I'm saying? Big mama. So yeah, so Big Dog, I have downpipes, exhaust, front mount intercooler, intake, lowering springs, wheel adapters, basically. So you let me know what the best, you know, the order or however you want. Anything.
Really simple.
So I like to hear.
I'm saying.
This guy's a beast. This guy's a gem. Proud Ford owner, by the way. So he was extra happy, he told me, when I got the Ford. So see how that goes. Yeah, so we got it racked. We got the wheels up, wheels off, in the air, lowering springs, stabilizer links. Start with that process first.
Just take this lower.
Yeah, so we are almost there. Getting the front end out, taking loose, getting the spring out. It's almost there, a couple more bolts to go. We're gonna be installing our H&R lowering springs. We're gonna get a 2-inch drop. So it should really help out with the whole, you know, way it sits and everything else. So we're almost there. All right, guys, we got the back all finished, buttoned up. We have the wheels here. We're going from stock 21s, we're going to 22-inch VOSSENs. So we got the adapter to adapt these from a 114 to a 5x120. Had these custom built, thanks to Nick. Super great job, helped me out with it, man. Had these custom built. Bora, very popular for this platform. Very nicely, good quality. It should look great once we're on the car. Got the fronts out. John's assisting here, taking over the game. I'll have these springs in no time.
They're all probably about 120, 140. Set them all at 40 on my gauge, which means they're probably. Yeah, pull it out, roll it forward.
Alright. I need you to jump in it.
Okay.
And let's take it outside, roll it back, roll it around a little bit. Yeah, I'll put them all downstairs, please, though. Thank you. Because it has to settle now, but we're just gonna get it out of here anyway. We're gonna drive it home. We're gonna drive it so it can settle. We put lowering springs on it. We put lowering springs. We did the stabilizing they needed, and then we put the wheels on it today.
Wait, it's not lowered though.
It is. But like the springs are new, so after they drive, they'll settle down. Like, tomorrow will be lower than this now. But as you yeah, so we made it happen. Lowering spring install, new stabilizer links, which are needed. Got the wheels with the adapters. The wheels are a little pokey, but I don't mind on a truck like this. Maybe I'll get a bigger tire in the future depending how it rides, but they came off the Bentley, so it's a different scenario, but they weigh about the same, so it should be no issue. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the look? Do you think it's corny? Does it look good? I think it looks good. I know it looks good, guys, but you know. So let me know in the comments. Next installment, we will be putting the rest of the parts, hopefully, the exhaust, intercooler, then go for the tune for the snow, hopefully. So yeah, looking forward to having more fun with the Explorer ST, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, special shout out to Nick Griglione from Performance SUV. He's been my parts plug, and he worked a lot with me getting the spacers that were one-off. A lot of hours, a lot of time you put into it. Great customer service, guys. I highly recommend him for your parts for this ST and other platforms. Super good guy. Thanks a lot, Nick, man. I hope you guys like it. I hope you like the way it looks as well. I'm gonna send him some pictures, get some reactions. See you guys in the next one. Say goodbye.
Bye.